The Foreign National Management Information System, FNMIS, is a centralized voluntary entry system implemented to regulate, monitor, manage, and facilitate the real-time activities of foreign nationals in Nepal. Its effectiveness relies largely on the compliance of sector providers. So, how does this system work? FNMIS is a centralized entry system that integrates the real-time movement of foreign nationals through the services they receive in Nepal. The Department of Immigration leads the system by developing an additional service provider portal within its existing Nepali port software. The information collected includes the foreign national's name, nationality, and passport number. There are two ways foreign nationals can be enrolled in the system. First, through service providers like hotels while availing services in Nepal. Second, tourists can register themselves in advance through the website of the Department of Immigration, which is not mandatory.
विदेशी नागरिकहरू नेपालमा आउनुभन्दा अगाडि नै हाम्रो अध्यागमन विभागको डिपार्टमेन्ट अफ इमिग्रेसन भन्ने एउटा हामीले एप्लिकेसनको विकास गरेका छौं। त्यहाँ चाहिँ उहाँले आफ्नो विवरण इन्ट्री गरेपछि एउटा क्यूआर कोड जेनेरेट हुन्छ। त्यो क्यूआर कोड लिएर नेपाल प्रवेश गरिसकेपछि उहाँ आफ्नो सेवा प्रदायक विशेष गरी भनौं न होटलमै गएर बस्नुभयो भनेदेखि होटलमा चेक इन हुँदाको वखत त्यो क्यूआर कोड सो गर्नुहुन्छ। त्यो क्यूआर कोड चाहिँ रिड भइसकेपछि अटोमेटिकल्ली त्यो उहाँको डेटा हाम्रो विभागको पोर्टलमा आइपुग्छ। र यसलाई हामीले म्यान्डेटरी पनि गरेका छैनौं। कतिपयले आफ्नो विवरण इन्ट्री नगरी पनि आउन सक्नुहुन्छ। यस्तो अवस्थामा हाम्रो सेवा प्रदायक संस्था भनौं न होटलले उहाँको पासपोर्ट हेरेर आफ्नो सिस्टममा इन्ट्री गरिदिनुहुन्छ।
The department has clarified that it is fully aware of privacy and data protection concerns. It has stated that the system does not insert any chips and the information collected will be used strictly for national security, the security of foreign nationals, and criminal investigations if required.
अध्यागमन विभागले विशेष गरी यो विदेशी नागरिकहरूको सुरक्षाकै लागि अवलम्बन गरेको यो एउटा प्रणाली हो। यसमा कुनै पनि व्यक्तिको हामीले नितान्त व्यक्तिगत गतिविधिहरूलाई हामीले अनुगमन गर्दैनौं।
However, challenges have been seen in ensuring participation from all stakeholders. Concerns remain that limited involvement of hotels, tourism associations, and institutions not yet integrated into digital systems could affect the system's effectiveness. Despite this, in the first phase, participation has already begun from star hotels in Kathmandu Valley. The system will be made mandatory nationwide for all star hotels, international airline companies, tour and travel companies, money exchanges, guest houses, and other public and private institutions providing services to foreign nationals in Nepal. Despite the department's claim that the system is the panacea to the real-time tracking foreign nationals in Nepal, the effectiveness of the system, which is largely voluntary till date, hinges on the compliance of the private sector service providers.